refraction by a spherical lens. So it's an extended concept of refraction. So we began understanding refraction through your rectangular mediums. So I used oil and rectangular glass slab to show you guys the idea of refraction through different mediums and everything. So the main concept we saw over here is the refraction happened at two different points and we saw a lateral shift, right? So let me talk about refraction through a cylindrical medium before we talk about refraction through a spherical lens. So let's have a look at refraction through a cylindrical medium. So here I'm using water inside a cylindrical structure. So please observe refraction at two different places again. Right? So what happened over there? We saw a green laser getting refracted at point 1 and point 2, something like this. Okay, so here I used water as the change in optical density. So the light moved from air into water and out again. Okay, so this was refraction through a cylindrical medium. So similarly, we have refraction through spherical lenses or spherical medium. So refraction through spherical lenses, also known as lens. Spherical medium, also known as lens. So the one which we use to correct our eyesight, the one which we use to play with, magnifying glass and all of that, it's nothing but your lenses. So the basic structure of a lens is that the lens is bounded by at least one spherical surface. So something like this. So this is your spherical surface. One side it's flat, another side it is curved. Okay. So one side it's flat, another side is curved. So this is your spherical lens. So the one which we are looking at in your syllabus is, you will see two curved surfaces. Let me show it to you properly. See, even this is a lens. So one side it can be flat and another side should be curved. This is also a lens. But the one which you are going to look into your syllabus, looking at in your syllabus is this two-sided spherical surfaces. Okay, both the side you have spherical structure. There are a lot of variations, but we look at the two simplest ones. So here too we are looking at caved in, that was bulged out, right? This is caved in. Okay. So a lens is bounded by at least one spherical surface. It can have more than one. And it can be any combination, two concave, two convex, structures, one concave, one convex structure. A lot of variations, but yeah, we just look at two variation. But what is spherical about spherical lenses? All this is well and good, but there is no spherical structure, right? There's no sphere per se. Well, there are. These two are parts of spheres, right? This blue color lens is part of this sphere, and obviously this pink color is part of this sphere, right? There are two spheres over here. So that's why these are known as spherical mirrors and lenses. So here too you have your spheres at both the ends, right? This is the spherical part of a spherical lenses. So as per your standard definition, you have to define your lenses as a transparent medium bounded by two surfaces of which one or both surfaces are spherical, forms a lens. Again, it can be one or both. But yeah, in your syllabus, we're looking at both. But yes, this is your definition. Okay, so you can pause and make a running note of, if you want to make something over here, make a running note. And from this, you guys have to copy pretty much everything.